I'm Elizabeth Barbalich, CEO and founder of Antipodes New Zealand, here to share with you today some information about how to customize your favorite Antipodes moisturiser with one of our 5 bioactive serums to target and treat your skin's specific requirements. Now, Antipodes products are 100% natural origin, either certified vegan, vegetarian or organic, so they're all about enhancing the best of Mother Nature. And as we know in nature, seasons change, and depending on the seasons, plants grow at different rates and different things happen in a forest environment. It's very much the same for your skin. It's all about treating like with like, looking and listening to your skin condition, because your skin condition does change from day to week through hormonal changes, lifestyle changes, and the environment you live and operate in. So I'm a high advocate of changing up your target and treat to really suit your skin condition and really help support and balance the health of your skin. Now, we have 3 water-based serums and 2 oil-based serums in the range. And what we have here is our Worship Skin Defense Serum for pollution control and blemish control. Secondly, we have Hosanna H2O Skin Plumping Serum to help boost and hold water levels in dehydrated skin. Apostle Skin Brightening Serum, which is all about targeting pigmentation and helping even out skin tone. Then we have 2 oil-based serums, one for the morning and one for night. So Divine Face Oil, which is all about stimulating and boosting type 1 collagen, and Joyous protein-rich night replenish serum, which is about replenishing and helping to support elastin and keep the skin looking firmer. And the great thing is you can put these serums under a moisturiser or actually mix in with your moisturiser for that extra nutrient injection into your skincare regime. So thanks for listening today, and we look forward to hearing and seeing you again in our next Lift the Lid series.